Hi, this is Darky, AK World on YouTube again. Today, this is I'll do a simple 1 versus 1 Beyblade video of Cancer versus Wolf. I've decided to pick both of them because they have the same metal wheel. Please enjoy the vid. Dark Wolf wins round 1. Cancer wins round 2. They have a tie. And Cancer wins. Rate, like, sub, and comment for more Beyblade videos. Thank you.